Hmm. See, Ranjit, the first thing here is we are going to discuss about the payment terms configurations, installment payments with cash discount for vendor. ఈ రోజు మనం పేమెంట్ టర్మ్స్ కన్ఫిగరేషన్స్ ఇన్స్టాల్మెంట్ పేమెంట్స్ విత్ క్యాష్ డిస్కౌంట్ ఫర్ వెండర్ అనేది క్రియేట్ చేసి కన్ఫిగరేషన్స్ ఏవైతే ఉంటాయో అవి తీసుకొని మనం పోస్ట్ చేద్దాం. అండ్ ఇంకోటి, we have configured the payment terms, okay, for the vendors, payment terms for the customers. At the same time, payment terms with the cash discounts for the vendors, payment terms with cash discounts for the customer. సో ఈ 3 అనేది ఈ 4 అనేది మనం ఆల్రెడీ చేసేసాం, అంతా తెలిసిపోయింది. ఇప్పుడు in your mind the doubt will rise. What is the doubt here? If we have the installments, shall we get the cash discounts, or shall we do it, I mean those payments with the installment payments? Yes, we can do it, those installment payments in our SAP system. That is very, very important right now. But when you don't have idea of how to do the exact configurations for the payment terms configuration, installment payments with cash discount for vendor and also for customer, okay, we will not going to do anything. Why? Because if you have the knowledge on the configurations, then only you will tell the exact configurations to the particular interviewer. Okay, if you don't have the knowledge on this one, how you can? See, the basic thing is, when you are doing some configurations, you need to have some points in your mind. The points are where it is interlinking. Okay, then next, if I do this one, what is the global impact? So all those will be, I mean, determined by the your mind only. Okay, so the first thing that you need to keep in your mind is configurations ఎలా చేయాలో తెలుసుకోవాలి, configurations flow ఏంటో తెలుసుకోవాలి. Then only you can be successful person in your interview. Okay, so that is the very important thing right now. See, the exact thing is we have two configurations with installments, okay, for the vendors and also for customers. Today we are going to discuss about the for vendor only. Okay, go to the transaction code, so we can create the transaction, we can create the terms of payments for installments in transaction code OBB8. ఇవి కొంచెం బాగున్నాయి కదా చూడటానికి. ఇవి కొంచెం క్లియర్ గా ఉన్నాయా రంజిత్?
అవునన్నా, ఇవి బాగున్నాయి.
ఓకే, ఉన్నాయి, తీసి పంపిస్తాను నీకు కూడా. Give your user ID and password here. Go to the transaction code OBB8. Here, new entries. Go to the new entries here. See, Ranjita, the first thing is we are doing the payment on installment basis. So for this, we need to have one particular payment terms, installment payment terms. Then only we can assign those payment terms to this particular installment payment terms. Then only it will possible to get the cash discount when you are paying with the installment. That is very important. Okay, ఏదైనా మనం ఇచ్చే ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ బట్టే అక్కడ మనం ఏదైనా చేసే కన్ఫిగరేషన్స్ బట్టే అక్కడ అసైన్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఆటోమేటిక్గా సిస్టమ్ అనేది పిక్ చేసుకుంటుంది. అంటే వెండర్ మాస్టర్ డేటాలో ఆల్రెడీ ఇచ్చేస్తాం కాబట్టి పేమెంట్ టర్మ్స్లో. ఓకే, నో ఇష్యూ. ఫస్ట్ installment payment terms, what you can give, yes, RANI is the first installment payments. Okay, no issue. See here in the sales text we don't want to give anything. Why? Because so it is not part of the payment terms for the vendors, so that is why we are not giving anything. Or else you can just give sales text as installment payment terms, installment payment terms for vendor, installment payment terms for vendor, Okay, no issue. So here in the own explanation, on what basis you want to divide the thing, on what basis you want to divide the amount, 50%, 50%, right? Shall we do that one?
Okay.
No issue. అక్కడ ఆ ఓన్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ దగ్గరకు వచ్చేసి ఏ బేసిస్ మీద మనం ఇన్స్టాల్మెంట్ పేమెంట్స్ కడతాం, అంటే ఆ అమౌంట్ ఏ బేస్ అమౌంట్ మీద మనం ఇన్స్టాల్మెంట్ కడతాం. ఒక 50% బేస్ తీసుకుందామా? ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఇన్స్టాల్మెంట్, రైట్ ఆన్ ఫస్ట్ ఇన్స్టాల్మెంట్, yes, first installment 50%, comma, second installment 50%, second installment 50%. Yes, see here Ranjit, so I have already explained you about the account type also and day limit also, and once again I am going to explain you. So day limit means till how many days you are going to do this installment payments, that is the day limit. Then next, when it comes to the account type, so for whom you are doing, is it for the customers, is it for the vendors? Then next, baseline date calculation, fixed date. When you give the fixed date, then installment payments, the system will take, okay, the system will calculate, system will take this installment, and also system will calculate the installment payments. So from the fixed date only that you are giving, that is very important. See, fixed date is not at all important. Why? Because so we are doing, or we are posting monthly transaction codes, year-ending transaction codes, and also invoices on all. Okay, in the middle of the month of March. Okay, that is why we are not going to give any fixed date, any additional months. So it is not at all important. When it comes to the payment block method, see, if you want to block that key, you can just open the block key. I will show you. You can just go to the block key. No. That one. Drop down that option. Here you can just see. Here there are there are so many keys. What are those keys? So block key is a star, is a skip account. You can skip that account. A is a blocked for payment. If you block this account, this payment terms, installment payments, so you will not going to post anything. Why? Because the system is showing that you have blocked that particular key. Okay, so that is why the system will show you an error. B undi, blocked for payment code undi. Fraud management, IP postings, IP post processing, so payment request, invoice, ఏదైనా నువ్వు బ్లాక్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, the system will allow you all these keys. Okay, then next you can just come back. ఇది వచ్చేసి already free for payment ఉంది కాబట్టి we no need to worry here. Then next, payment method already నీకు తెలుసు. In automatic payment program we have created the payment method. So what is the payment method that we have created right now? So /* మనం దాంట్లో చెక్, క్యాష్, ఏదో ఒకటి బ్యాంక్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్, ఏదో ఒకటి మనం క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఎట్ ఆల్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ రైట్ నౌ. ఓకే, దెన్ డిఫాల్ట్ ఫర్ బేస్ లైన్ డేటా. See, I have already told you what is the exact posting date and what is the entry date. Posting date and entry date is the same. Okay, so if you click on the posting date, the system will calculate the installment payment terms. So from the 1st March 2022. Okay, no default date means automatically it will pick the current date. That means document date. So just click on the document date right now. Document date means the system will calculate the installment payments from this 19th March 2022. ఇక్కడ నుంచే క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేస్తుంది ఇప్పుడు డాక్యుమెంట్ డేట్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు సి here in the payment terms we have one option, that is installment payments. Click on the installment payments. This is the main source of the those two two payments that we are going to create. ఇదే మెయిన్ సోర్స్. ఇంకా మనం టూ క్రియేట్ చేస్తాము, దానికి మెయిన్ సోర్స్ ఇదే. మనం దీన్ని తీసుకొని అక్కడ వేరే దానికి అసైన్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, అంటే వేరే ఇన్స్టాల్మెంట్ పేమెంట్స్కి అసైన్ చేస్తాం. యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ది ఎంటర్. యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ది ఎంటర్. చూసావా, ఫస్ట్ ఇన్స్టాల్మెంట్ 50%, second installment 50%. So that is very, very important right now. You can just go to the save button and save it. Save it. Yes. See, we have successfully created the installment payments. Okay, that is very, very important, Ranjit. Idi main source. Gurtupettuko ippudaina. Idi main source. RANI అనేది main source. Then next one is create individual installment payment terms in transaction code OBB8. Individual payment terms means what? We have created the exact payment terms installment. I mean first installment, second installment, right? So first installment 50% and second installment 50%, right? So we have to create first installment and then we have to create second installment payment terms. You can just come back. You can just come back. Yes, go to the new entries. Go to the new entries here. Yes. So give a payment terms as RAI1. Ranjit installment 1. RAI1. Here in the sales text, first installment. Here in the sales text, first installment. First installment. First installment. I mean, in the own explanation, yes, in the own explanation, first installment, first installment, first installment, yes, first installment, yes, here, comma, within 10 days, within 10 days, we are going to give the 3% cash discount. Within 10 days space, 3% cash discount. Yes. Yes. See, I mean, I have already explained you about the account type, customer, vendor, and the fixed data, additional months and all. Here, you can just click on the document date also. Just click on the document date. Yes. See, here we are not going to give the click mark on the installment payment. Why? Because we have already created the source of payment, that is RANI. Okay, so here we are just giving for the first installment. Okay, so we are giving the 2%, 3% cash discount within 10 days. If you pay the amount within the 10 days, we are giving the 3% cash discount. మనం 3% క్యాష్ డిస్కౌంట్ అనేది విత్ ఇన్ 10 days లో పే చేస్తుంటే ఇచ్చేస్తాం అనమాట. ఓకే, ఆ అమౌంట్ అనేది. క్లిక్ ఆన్ ద ఎంటర్. First installment within 10 days, 3% cash discount. Go to the save button and save it. So we have successfully created one first installment payment. Okay. And then next one is, you can just come back. You can just come back. Yes. Here there is a new entries, right? Yeah. Click on the new entries here. New entries మీద click చేయి. ఇక్కడ పేమెంట్ టర్మ్స్ ఏం తీసుకుంటావు? RAI2 second installment payments, right? Second in the sales text, you can just give second installment. Remove the first and here give second installment. Second installment. Okay, so in the own explanation only, you can just give second installment. Second installment. This go. Second installment. It changes it. మొత్తం ఇచ్చేసాయి, నో ఇష్యూ. సెకండ్ ఇన్స్టాల్మెంట్ టైప్ చేసేసాయి, INSTA. సెకండ్ ఇన్స్టాల్మెంట్, ఓకే, వితిన్ టైప్ చేసేసాయి, నో ఇష్యూ. Within 20 days, you will get the 2% cash discount. 2% cash discount. 2% cash discount, which is cash discount. Yes, see, and click on the document date. Here you can just come to the first, 2% cash discount and within the 20 days. Yes, click on the enter. Yes, you can just go to the save button and save it. Okay, data was saved, right? See, whatever we have created, those will be appear in the transaction code OBB8. You can just come back. Could you please tell me what are those payment terms and explanations on all? So whatever you have created, the first one, what you have created, first aim create chesav, adi okasari naaku cheppu.
RANI, and then individual installments, that is RAI1 and RAI2.
ఓకే, ఇక్కడ పొజిషన్ లోకి వెళ్ళి ఒకసారి ఉన్నాయో లేవో చూద్దాం పట్టు. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఇక్కడ పొజిషన్ లోకి వెళ్ళి RANI ఉంది. దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకోటి చూపించు, అదే RANI2 ఉందో లేదో చూపించు, RANI ఉందో లేదో చూపించు. ఎందుకంటే మనం ఫస్ట్ కరెక్ట్ గా చూస్తేనే.
Yes, both are existing, RAI1 and RAI2.
Both are existing, right?
Yes.
Okay, no issue. Then next, what is the next configuration here? We need to assign this one, okay, in transaction code XK02. This is better, right?
Assign this installment payment terms for one term.
Yes.
One payment term.
Go to the transaction code XK02. Okay, వెళ్ళవా? నో ఇష్యూస్. చూడు, XK02 లోకి వెళ్ళిపో. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ వెండోర్ తీసుకో, నీ వెండోర్ తీసుకో. టేక్ అవుట్ యువర్ వెండోర్. పోస్టల్ కోడ్ ఇచ్చేసి నీ వెండోర్ తీసేసుకో. Take out your company code, RC15, right? RC15, yes. Okay, very nice. Click on the enter. Yes, here there is a no. Click on the enter first of all. Click on the address control payment terms. Select at least one processing option. Okay, address control, payment transactions. Okay, no issue. You can just come back, come down, company code data, account information, payment transactions, correspondence. Okay, so just click on the enter. Yes, click on the enter, no issue. Click on the enter. Click on the enter. Click on the enter. Click on enter. See, we have created payment terms vendors, right? So that's why we have given the payment terms for the vendor here. Okay, so we have taken the payment terms. మనం payment terms vendor create చేసినప్పుడు payment terms తీసుకున్నాం కదా. ఇప్పుడు ఇన్స్టాల్మెంట్ పేమెంట్స్ చేసాం కదా, ఆ ఇన్స్టాల్మెంట్ పేమెంట్స్ చేసినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ తీసుకోవాలన్నమాట. తీసుకోవాలి, డ్రాప్ డౌన్ చేసి తీసుకో ఎప్పుడైనా. Go to the drop down option and take out that one. I mean, Every time you do this assigning to the payment terms, you have to go to the drop down option only. Don't take what we say directly. What is that we have taken? RAN, installment payment terms. Okay, you can just go to the save button and save it. And just go to the save button. Yeah, tomorrow class we are going to discuss about the what we say invoice, installment invoice posting for the vendors, and also clearing the vendors with cash discount with installments. Okay, Ranjit?
Okay.